Guys, you've got to try avocado and protein powder. Oh my god. Okay, that was a little bit overreacting, but yeah. So today I decided to make some avocado milkshake with some almond milk and yeah, cookies and cream protein shakes. And it turns out really good, guys. I separated the original avocado milkshake and I tried it out, and then I add in the protein, cookies and cream flavors, and yeah, blend it for a minute or so and try that one. And yeah, turns out it was really good, man. I think I'm gonna be doing that for the next few days or months. I'm not really sure. What up YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So a month ago I started working out, and mainly because I was getting really fat. Really my belly, beer belly is showing. So yeah, I started working out, and yeah, I set a month like date, and today is the last day. Actually tomorrow is the last day, but tomorrow is kind of like a rest day, so I might as well do the video today. So yeah, so I started working out. I work out like one day and rest one day, work out one day, rest one day, and I repeat it for the whole month. I kind of missed 1 week though, because I was just stressed up with my school and with my school stuff. So yeah, so I started off with this physique, this body, and right now I'm looking like this. There's not much of a difference, but there's a little bit difference because I'm not really focusing on any diet or anything. So I eat a lot pretty much every single day. And yeah, if you guys want to see, these are the things that I'm eating. Yeah, quite a lot of calories and fatty stuff. So yeah, so I started off with like 73.9 or 8 kg. I don't remember, maybe 73.5, and right now I'm at 71. So kind of lost like 3 to 3 kg, 3 to 2.5 kg. So I think it's not really that good, but I'm gonna start a proper workout. I have started working out properly like 2-3 days ago. So yeah, I also have started buying nutrition stuff like protein powder. That's the first thing. And yeah, I'm gonna do some like a small little diet, I guess, because I want to improve on my physique. So yeah, and yeah, also this one tastes really good, by the way. It's BCAA, muscle recovery. It just tastes so good. This is my first time trying out like BCAA. I don't really eat, I don't really drink all those kind of creatines and BCAA or any other supplements that a lot of bodybuilders take, but I will try to get into it. But I'm just starting to get back on track, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. But so far, this is the first day that I've taken, so I don't really know the effects on my body yet. But in terms of the taste, whew, it's really good. So yeah, so for the future me, I'm just gonna work out the same workout plan, like workout one day and the other day is either rest or an active rest, meaning going like hiking or short jogging, or go for a swim, like something along the cardio, play football. Those are the things that I like to do. So yeah. And yeah, by the way, I was at the gym just now and I took a few shots of me working out. I think I was doing shoulder press and I took like 3 shots. One of them, at first it didn't show my face, like around this area it was cut off at the chest. So I took another one and it was too high, you can only see my head and there's no motion. And the third one, yeah, I think the third one I got it right, because I haven't really edited this video, I'm still recording. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, it's kind of funny because the gym is quite, I mean, it's not small, but you can't like set up your camera or your tripod just to film yourself working out, because there's a lot of other people that I'm sharing with, mostly 2. So yeah, I can't be like doing that. Or maybe I can do that if there's no one at the gym or if it's my own gym. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. And yeah, the next step is to work out straight for 3 months. And yeah, I want to see a huge improvement. This month, I mean this whole month of working out is just like a warm-up session. It's just me getting back on track. So yeah, next 3 months I'm just gonna grind really hard. And yeah, I want to see some changes to my physique. So yeah, but I'm not gonna stop drinking beer. Yeah, gotta do my job. So I think yeah, that's about it. If I'm not sure, because like, am I really happy with the result? Not really, but I can't really blame, because kind of skipped 1 week. And yeah, it was quite tough. Like I didn't work out for like quite a while. I can't even remember how long. So yeah, for me to like get back, yeah, it's really hard to cut down. So I'm just gonna try to maintain from now on. Yeah, I don't want to see that big beer baddie anymore. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. The next target is 3 months and I want to see a complete change in my physique. So yeah. So what date is today? Today is 14 October. So should I start or should I wait for my exam to end? I'm not really sure. So I'll just update on you guys on the next videos. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Same old. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye guys. Mango peach, so good, man. Cheers. I think I like drink a lot, like smoothies. I can go a day just drinking, smoothies, milkshakes, protein shakes, and yeah, coffee. Should try it out.